Practice set 6.2. Question number 3. Two buildings are facing each other. Building AE and building BD facing each other on a road of width. This is width of the road. AB is the width of the road, and on the either side of this road, AE is first building, second BD on the either sides of the road, and width of the road is 12 meter. 12 meter. Okay, from the top of the first building, suppose this is first building, top of the first building, which is 10 meter high. This is 10 meter high. The angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degree. Now, this is the top of the first building. Okay, and this is top of second building, and this is taller than this. Then from this top of the first building, top of the first building, the angle of elevation of the top of the second building is found to be 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Did you get it? Now, what is the height of the second building? Means height of this second building is BD. Okay, then we will find out height of the second building. Now see this carefully. Now here, this AE is the first building and BD is the second building. Now this is taller than this. Okay, this is 10 meter high, and this is we don't know. So see here, we draw straight line that is perpendicular to this BD. Okay, now therefore quadrilateral ABC, see here, buildings are constructed, then those are always perpendicular to the ground. This is right angle, this is right angle, this is right angle, then this is also 100% right angle. This also 100% right angle. Therefore, quadrilateral ABC is the right angled quadrilateral. This is new name, right angled quadrilateral. Now, this right angle quadrilateral, in this right angle quadrilateral, adjacent sides are not congruent. See here, 10 and 12, adjacent sides are not congruent. Then this right angled quadrilateral is called rectangle. Adjacent sides are not congruent. So this right angled quadrilateral is nothing but rectangle, and opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Did you get it? Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Did you get it? Now see here carefully. Let AE represents the height of first building. Okay. BD represents height of second building. Okay, then AB represents AB represents the width of the road. Okay, now we want to find BD, means height of second building. So we take this right angle triangle CDE. Therefore, in right angled triangle CDE, we want to find here CD. Now this is right angle, this is 60 degree, this is adjacent side of 60 degree, and this is opposite side that we want to find. Okay, therefore we use trigonometric ratio. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side of 60 degree upon adjacent side of 60 degree is equal to opposite side of 60 degree CD and adjacent side is C. Did you get it? Therefore, now we know that tan 60 degree from table square root of 3 is equal to CD. We don't know upon CE 12 meter. Therefore, CD is equal to, see this, cross multiplication, 12 square root of 3 meter. This is value of CD. Okay, we don't know value of square root of 3 means that is not given. That is not given in your textbook. So keep this square root of 3 as it is. We know value 1.73, but the value of this square root of 3 is not given for this example. So we write here height of the second building, that is BD. Now this second building made from BC plus CD. Therefore, height of the second building BD is equal to, what is BC? 10 meter plus CD 12 square root of 3 meter. Means total we write here, see this, BD is equal to 10 plus 12 square root of 3 and this meter outside. Did you get it? Therefore, the height of the second building will be 10 plus 12 square root of 3 meter.